In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook not showing sent emails. This is a common issue that many users encounter. When you send an email, it is expected to appear in your Sent Items folder. However, sometimes it may not show up, even when the email has been sent successfully. Let's dive into the steps you can take to resolve this issue effectively. First, open Outlook. When you launch the application, you will be greeted with your inbox and a clean interface. This is where you manage all your emails. If you do not see any emails in your Sent Items folder, it is essential to check your settings. A simple oversight can lead to this problem. Make sure to navigate through the interface carefully. Once you have Outlook open, you are ready to proceed to the next step without any distractions. Next, click on File and then choose Options if you are using Classic Outlook. If you are using the new Outlook, click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. This is crucial because the options you need to adjust are located here. Once you access the options, you will have the ability to customize your email settings. This step is vital in ensuring that your emails are saved correctly in the Sent Items folder. Take your time to ensure you are in the right section. From there, go to Mail. Here you will find a variety of settings that help manage how your emails are handled. Under the Mail settings, look for the section labeled Save Messages. This section is where you can control how Outlook saves emails that you send. It is important to verify that the option to save copies of messages in the Sent Items folder is turned on. If this option is disabled, your sent emails will not appear where you expect them to. Once you've confirmed this setting, move to the next step. Now click OK or Save to apply your changes. This action ensures that the adjustments you made are stored correctly in Outlook. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated. This step is reassuring because it confirms that your preferences are now set up to save your sent emails properly. If the issue continues, it is time to verify that you are checking the Sent Items folder for the correct email account. If you have multiple accounts configured in Outlook, it's easy to overlook which account you are viewing. Make sure you are in the right account, especially if you have linked different email providers. This simple check can save you a lot of time and frustration. Next, check whether Outlook is connected and fully synced with your email server. This is important because without a proper connection, your sent emails may not sync correctly. Look for any connectivity issues or status messages at the bottom of the Outlook window. If your connection looks fine, you can proceed to the next step. After that, right-click the Sent Items folder and select Properties. In the Properties window, review the Auto Archive settings. Make sure that old messages aren't being archived automatically. This setting can sometimes lead to confusion if emails vanish unexpectedly. Understanding how your emails are managed is key to preventing future issues. If your mailbox is full, delete unnecessary emails to free up space. A full mailbox can cause various problems, including difficulties in saving sent emails. Keeping your mailbox organized is not only good practice but can help ensure that all emails are managed effectively. Next, restart Outlook and allow it to sync. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches and refresh the application. It is a straightforward solution that often resolves many issues. After restarting, check your Sent Items folder again to see if your emails have appeared. Finally, if the problem persists, create a new Outlook profile and sign into your account again. This step can help reset any underlying issues with your current profile. It may take a bit of time to set up the new profile, but it can lead to a more stable experience moving forward. Note, if you're using an IMAP account such as Gmail, Yahoo, or AOL, sent messages may be stored by your email provider rather than Outlook. They may also appear in a different sent folder. If the emails appear in Outlook on the web or your provider's webmail, but not in the Outlook desktop app, the issue is usually caused by a synchronization or profile problem rather than missing emails. This understanding can help clarify the situation if you encounter similar problems in the future.